Good afternoon, guys. This is Tracy with Scratch Kitchen, and I am going to show you how to set up a pressure canner to do water bath canning projects. Alright? This is Bertha. If you're new here, this is Bertha. She is my Presto pressure canner. She can cook regularly, and she pressure can. You can also water bath can in her. But I'm going to show you a difference between Bertha's top here, which, let me bring in a little bit more. You see you have a little spout here. What you don't see here is, oh, it's all fun and games when coupons hit the floor. Anyway, I'm going to show you this here. If you have this, I call it like a little odometer, but it's a gauge where you can read your pressure. You do not do what I'm going to show you, because I don't want to end up sealing this. I'm going to flip it upside down, just like that. I can water bath with this. Plus, I'm done. I can use a little bit of barmaid and scrub this. So there we go. But like I said, if you got that gauge, do not do this with a gauge. You will ruin the gauge and the whole thing. I'll bring it back when I'm ready to load. And I picked the coupons up too. Alright guys, I'm going to try and do this again. I was trying to show you how I got the water and I accidentally shut the camera off. I fill the water to here, and once I get the jars full, I can always put more water in. But if I have to take water out, it's kind of a pain, because this is cast aluminum and she's heavy. Alright, I will show you the limeade concentrate some of the time. Right now I just want to show you the process of using a pressure canner as a water bath canner. And hello, talking hand. Be right back. Alright guys, that's it. You see the water, get that little thing. Here we go. Ow, it's hot. Right here. Just gets them up off the bottom. And that is how you use your pressure canner to water bath can. And a little bit later, Tony and I, one of us, will take this to the bathroom and dump the water out when it's all cooled down. I will see you guys later. Alright guys, now here's the water. You see I have this water set up. Let me